It's Jason with jamzDOTnet. Do you want some free super clean? Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to offer you some free super clean, absolutely free, an aerosol can plus a spray bottle. And all you got to do is just go to the website and enter, and then I'm going to do a random drawing and send it to you. No cost, no obligation. There's really nothing you have to do. Let's talk about this. Now, I'm a big fan of super clean. Hopefully you've seen my other videos about this product because I use this on cars, I use it on tractors, I use it on old things I restore. And based on how much I love it, Super Clean said, hey Jason, why don't you do a giveaway and give some to some folks that follow you on YouTube? And I said, man, I would love to do that, but I want to make this easy. I don't want to make it gimmicky. I don't want to make it hard. You're going to get a bottle of aerosol spray or the original pump formula, and I'm going to send you a super clean sticker and a jamzDOTnet sticker, which I'm super excited to send you. And it takes literally a few seconds to enter. It will get your wheels so shiny they'll look brand new. I use super clean in the engine bay of all of my cars in my car collection. Even old things around the house, like this antique 100-year-old fan. I use super clean on my 1952 tractor and even on some of the spills that might happen in your garage. So I hope you take advantage of this opportunity and enter to win some free super clean. Who knows? Maybe we get 1 entry, maybe we get 10,000 entries. In any event, 5 seconds of your time, and I'm going to ship you some of this if you win. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It does mean a lot to me, and I'm super stoked to have this giveaway and to send you one of my favorite degreasers on the market, super clean.